book map. Hey, good morning, Roy.
Good morning.
Well, we've had fireworks already this morning.
Yeah, nice spicy start. We had jobless claims, GDP, durable goods, Trump talking,
Shouldn't I say
Schmidt
Trump
talking. Yeah, all sorts of fun stuff happening.
and Trump?
Yeah, he'll keep us. He'll keep us on our toes.
Did you say Trump?
I think I said Trump.
Okay, just making sure because he's a little. Guess he's feeling a little volatile this morning. Oh, sorry, I'm getting book map.
He woke up ready to go. He woke up ready to go for sure.
I'm not sure why bookmark's not popping up. Says the browser can't access your screen. Okay. It's had no problem accessing my screen every other time.
Maybe you had a update overnight.
Maybe.
Well, while you're doing that, I'm going to go through ES. We've had a pretty good range here. Really, the box that I'm drawing is just going to be based off the data that we got this morning. I'm not going to take into account the 614.50 that we had with the market. I'm going to just kind of lower that a little bit to 60.10, which is what we got off the data. And then obviously the drop on the tariff news, we'll go over that shortly of what all that means, how we handle the rest of today. But that's our zone for the day. If you're keeping track out there.
No, mine's at 15.
Yours at 15. All right.
Yeah, it happened after 6. It's got to be included in there.
Trying to break the rules.
You are trying to break the rules this morning. You're trying to get a little better entry, but could be a fake out there. So.
Big zone, like 40-point zone. Not my favorite, but we'll keep the rules. We'll keep the rules. All right, so let's go through it. So the big one yesterday was obviously Nvidia. We'll touch on that shortly. Apple's down 0.5%. Start pre-market. You've got Nvidia up 2.7%. Pretty much going to be an option crush, IV crush on that one this morning. Sorry for anybody that played options. Hopefully it wasn't too bad on you when this opens up. But Nvidia did deliver on their numbers. The market did its dance on those data, up, down, left, right, side to side, and it's kind of trending up now. If it can open around 135, that would be really good for the AI market in general.
Yeah.
Microsoft up 0.4% at 401. Google up 0.89% this morning. Amazon up 1.5%. Meta up 1.5%. Tesla up 1.3%. Tesla actually last night got down to 286. Was not a fun night for Tesla holders. So hopefully that is going to continue to have some positive momentum, but we could actually see that thing drop to the gap fill. We can go over that a little bit later. Bitcoin 85,800. It is up 2% today, but again, just kind of been on a nasty move down lately. Solana up 2.7%. It's at 138. Again, another one's been on a nasty move down. Ripple up 0.5%. Let's see. Gold is down almost 1% this morning. So interesting nugget there. Palantir up 2.9%. SMCI down 2.8%. Shout out to Howie on that one. Hopefully that continues to trend down for him. Baba down 0.27%, basically flat this morning. So just keeping an eye on everything. ES has been getting that your 5 to 7 point moves. Pretty common here. So just
Yep.
be safe. And we got about 4 minutes here till the open. And we're right smack dab in the middle of our zone. So makes it easy for us not to do anything to start the day when that happens.
Yeah, I'm having issues here. Is it going to load this time?
Hey.
There we go. There we go. And I thought it wasn't going to load again. I was like, crap. But it did. Yeah, Roy's going through all that. We've got, you can see I did take this into consideration in my zone because that's one of our rules. I don't change the rules when I'm playing, unlike some people I know. But other than that, it's all good. He did talk about the data this morning, and if you're on Top Step X, guess what? You have access to all that data. Everything comes out right then. You can read it. Comes out almost real time with financial juice, so you don't have to pay for financial juice. So there you go. Tomorrow, what we got tomorrow? What's on tap for tomorrow? PCE. Ooh,
Yeah.
fun times. And then you think you're out of the woods after 7:30, then 15 minutes after open, you got Chicago PMI. So yeah, you got a little activity tomorrow. So be careful. And then of course we always have the old Trumpinator. He is he's been on a roll about trying to kill a market today. So recently. Let's see what happens with this. His news, and just sometimes he speaks and you're like, crap, couldn't you just waited? Gave me an hour. Give me to the end of the day. Then speak all you want. Wait, market close and talk all you want to talk. Because then it gives us a move and we get to play it the next day.
Exactly.
But no, we got to do it. And this Schmidt's still talking. MBS holdings influence 10-year yields by 50 to 80 BPS. Okay, that's interesting. Well, just looking through, see if anything else came out. This is one thing on financial juice. You might get a little bit more on financial juice. I don't know. Let's look and see if that same thing came out on here. Not really. No. China urges negotiations with the U.S. on trade disputes. Peace opposition to U.S. additional 10% tariff, which if anybody was watching this morning, you saw the big tank. Yesterday, Trump said we're going to get along great with China. Today, he says we're adding 10% extra tariffs. Don't know. No.
He got some bad lo mein or something.
I want to tell you, this is not political. This is fact. Bro is bipolar. I don't know what kind of mood he wakes up in. I'm 100% sure that's the case.
He keeps you on your toes. That is for sure. And I think that's why people that work with him can find that very frustrating because at one second it's this, another second it's that. Here's your open. We'll see what we can do. It's going to push up. It's going to hold VWAP. It's going to break down. What we got?
All the above. Everybody remember we've been getting some wicked fake outs at open. So just chill out. Wait 10, 15 minutes and get your plays. My suggestion. Excuse me. That is my suggestion. You got a bunch of orders. You don't look at Bookmap. Let's see. Go to Bookmap. There, get back here. 1,052 sitting at 602.50. If you heard us yesterday, you heard us actually mention around that level. It's one of the ones we kind of looked at yesterday for a break to the upside. After there were some other dreaded numbers on there. Let's see. Top step levels. There's top step levels. Where? There they are. Okay. 23.75 was the high. 45.50 was the low. So we got a big range there on the candle. The daily candle on that. You had some really big moves yesterday, both ways. So let's go back here in case we do enter a trade at some point. You guys can see it. Check this out. CVD's plus 1,200, so we're not on the crazy rampage we were on yesterday. Even on that big drop yesterday, Roy, CVD was still positive 20,000.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I couldn't really figure it out, so I didn't try to be honest with you. I saw it and like, ooh. So instead of trying to figure it out, I reset my CVD. It started making zero. It kept coming down, and the damn thing was still going up with it. So I couldn't understand that. So, but I was not trading it. I was just trying to look at it and see what was going on, and didn't figure out what was going on and gave up. So there's that.
I closed my micron at the open here. Put a little fishing order and it hit it. So no more micron for me. I'm gonna hold off on that.
I need to close this thing. I'm glad you said something because where did you go? I need to close this strategy order. We're up $75 on it right now. Let's see if we can get a little bit. We got 127.50 off of it yesterday.
Ooh, nice.
And this thing is working slow. I think I need to reboot my computer here because let's see, limit order. And this thing is popping over here, buddy. We're popping. Let's see if we can get out of it a cool $2. I think we will. Did it fill already? Did it instantly fill a limit order? That would be strange. Because I gave it a little bit of room. And let's see. Oh, it did the stupid thing it does. No, it's still open. Okay. I was going to say it did the thing, but it didn't do the thing. I think it rejected the order. No, it's working there.
Oh, video at the open looking ugly. You got big red candle. So 132 now on NVIDIA. Apple gaining steam. So Apple's pushing higher. NVIDIA was pushing lower. Microsoft pushing higher. Going through Mag 7 real quick. Get some wicks forming. Tesla had a big drop right before the open, and then looks like it recovered it. So I was surprised there.
MOO came out with S&P 500 plus 52 million. That's nothing. NASDAQ minus 20 million, Dow minus 20 million, Mag 7 minus 20. Because that's a little weird there this morning on those. So not much to speak of on it, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm glad you did that. I need to update my tide.
SPY puts in charge to start. Call premiums are up there. Holdings, call premiums are rising. Call volume in charge. General market tide, call premiums higher. Put premium dropping. Call volume in charge. We're seeing this now 6,000 test on ES. Getting an upper wick here. Let's see if it can get all the way up to 6,004. If you were watching the stream yesterday, 6,004 was the top of our zone yesterday.
107.50 was the profit on that one today. So next week we go live. Every single trade except one has been a winner.
That's awesome.
Now I did do one a little different. I want to test it out. So I went on and bought back the one that I sold, which was the 0 day, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I held the one for next week, and that ended up getting me like $110 by doing that. So when it was
Okay.
down or something bucks at start. So, but we did get a little rally that kind of helped that out too. So I don't know. We was trying something different to see if it worked out. If we could close them separately and if we could make a little money off of that way, we did. So Theta is your friend on that strategy. Just so you know, Theta is your friend.
All right. How's CVD looking?
Plus, fitting to hit 4,000 looks like. So it was right at flat this morning. It was 37, 38. But seemed like it was on a pretty good trajectory to get to 4,000 there. Kind of stalled out here at 3,800. So I don't know.
Mm. Yes, broke above 6,004. It's now at 6,005 and climbing. So we'll see if it can hold at 6,004. Again, that was the top of the zone yesterday. So kind of a soft level, if you will.
Patience.
Market side is looking bullish. You've got this put volume now starting to dry up, call premium rising, put premium dropping. Holdings has opened bullish and stayed bullish, and then general market tide, same story there. Open bullish, stay bullish. You're getting this kind of battle here at the 6,004, but it was holding above it. Now it's kind of coming back. You've got Nvidia just went red, 131.50. Oh, back up. So went red for a moment. It's a wild beast. Apple still kicking higher. Microsoft still pushing higher. Oh, Amazon recovering. Sorry. Is that Google? I think Amazon. Man, these things are moving pretty quick on me. Tesla, nasty candle right here to open. That'll wick up to 297 and then right back down to 294. Still very early, though, in the day. No need to rush or panic into anything.
Nope.
General market tide still on that long side. You got a little tick up and put premium here on the SPY, so we're going to keep an eye on that and see if that continues to climb up. But call premiums continue to set new highs. So we've got people that are betting on the dip on Nvidia. Has now gone red, now under 131. Obviously, all eyes are on that one, given that its earnings release was yesterday.
And you're going to have some shenanigans with them for a little bit today. And then we should sell late afternoon. So I would assume.
Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, we're just hanging out, middle of the zone. It's a big one. It's a big zone.
It's a bigger zone today than it has been for sure, but you got to play what's there.
And CBD is still positive. So we're just keeping an eye on Bookmap. Getting a little pull. Ooh, nasty candle forming on ES.
Yeah.
5. And the 10. So not a good close to this candle.
This is why we don't just jump into a trade. I don't know what these yellow lines are now and why they pop up on Bookmap when it opens. I don't like it.
I think it's a filter where it's determining your mind whether you want to take a trade or not. Those are all the times you've thought about taking a trade. It's that Neuralink extension.
I know one thing. This thing is working a little slow this morning. So swap back.
I gotcha.
I gotta do some adjusting. I moved it there. You can move to whichever one you want to.
Yeah, yours is fine. You got a wick coming off of VWAP there, but again, not a strong candle. Breaks under VWAP. Could get ugly.
Yep, it could be. I'm gonna try to clear some stuff out of here. We don't need the order broken balance. We don't need Strength level. We don't need that. So let's clear out some stuff. Let's see if that helps us out. So now. You can't get too much. I'm gonna tell you, bookmap pulls a lot of data. Ton of data. It takes a lot to pull bookmap. And I just cut some of the noise off that we don't really care about. So let's see if this thing will re-update and get to where we need to be. I might have to restart it. What a move down.
Yeah. That's a candle by candle to the downside on the 10-minute with a lot of time left on the candle, 8 minutes, but it's a nasty one. Somebody must be saying something.
There's nothing being said on the news. You got a ton of orders. Well, had them at 59.80 and they just dropped them. So, if you were a EMA trader, you could have took a short off the breakdown there, which was been fantastic.
So, if you want to force a trade, excuse me, I did not get enough sleep last night. A retest of VWAP and a failure would be a good short.
Yeah, break this low down here too would be a good short. And they just moved orders down to it. So if it has the momentum, they can break it down. Eli's probably going to come down in a minute, so I might have to hop off here if he does. I think he goes to school early this morning. You know, college schedules. Who the hell knows what time he goes to school? I know he's got 2 days that are long and 3 days. I think he has like one class. Like, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah. Well, here's your break.
It's going for it, ain't
it? Coming down fast.
See, that 70, 75 would be a spot that you could look for or bounce off of. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know if I'd play a bounce.
He didn't get good news this morning from Trump. He is, March 4th, he's going to enact the tariffs on Mexico, Canada, which again makes you wonder why anyone would hold over the weekend. So heading into PCE data tomorrow, that is anticipated to be a little bit hotter. You could see that kind of de-risk selling show up today. And new shorts entered today. Yeah. Here's your test at the bottom of the zone. Got a reaction off of it.
Of course.
What was interesting was that 6,004 when it broke down. It couldn't hold it, and then it broke. It just kind of elevated itself down to the 97 area and then wiggled about for an EMA for about 40 seconds and then just broke. So
if this thing finishes red today, this will be what, 5 days in a row, red days? 5 days, because it did Friday. Or it rallied back, though, didn't it, Friday? Did it rally back Friday? I forgot. We were done early.
I don't think it did. I think it was nasty Friday.
Maybe it was.
Yeah, that was the COVID scare and all that.
Okay, yeah. Well, it's wanting to hold down here for the second time being, so we'll see. We're getting a little pop in call premiums. Put premiums, a little drop here. CBD is going to be around 0. So we have not got a play yet. So no bueno.
Somebody with, if you're watching and you're like, I don't know who's watching, but if somebody's, if you were Like, how did you not get a play? There's been 40 points moved, 30 points moved.
Yeah, there's gonna be plenty of moves, plenty of opportunities. That's what you got to tell yourself. There's always plenty of opportunities. Can't just jump in just to jump in. Got to be a reason why you jump in, right? Like that 90 level rejection would be a reason to jump in. Which you got VWAP and stuff right above it, so it could go a little above it if it does get there, but it hadn't been able to get there yet.
It's forming a nice wick on 10-minute.
Let's see. We got 3 minutes from this candle. I'm assuming, yeah, we got 3 minutes from a 10-minute candle too.
Here's your 90.
1,100 jobs cut, include 612 in Seattle. Well, good for you, buddy. Good for you. There's that 90 test. See what it does here. I'm not eager to jump into anything yet. I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, not either.
Ooh, this is a nice projection here, though.
It is, and you got Nvidia still red, but it is climbing. Microsoft is coming back a bit. Google went red. Amazon's coming back. So,
If you're just looking at everything, though, you look at CBD. CBD is what? Never mind. You're just getting a big pop. And I was looking at market tide too, and I was like, well, market tide is not telling you anything, but right now, yeah, you're getting a sign market tide is just going to come back some more. So, might not be a bad place to risk one. Let's see, what was the low of day?
77.
I went, sorry, pre-market low. Way down there, 60. So, all right. Well, I just did take that in take profit trader. See if it's going to hit my stop down here at 79. My take profit. They got a tick of 2 away from it. Son of a gun, you. Let's just hold on. Let me go get this for you real quick. There it is. We are now at 26.02. We have no more buffer, no more trailing drawdown. We could take $102.50 out today.
That's awesome. Congrats, man.
Thank you. Now to be, I mean, that's one trade over there. We made $432.50 on it. You know what?
Lock it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna log out of this thing and close it down. Yesterday, I over traded it and ended up about right where I was to start with. So no need to do all that. We are logged out, and we got a $1,600 drawdown now. Roy, this damn thing, I'm looking at the 10-minute right now on ES, and it came back and touched the anchored VWAP to the T and rejected. I wasn't looking at it because I had Trade Ovate pulled up, so that kind of sucks.
Yeah, I think you're about to get your.
Yeah, CBD's negative 1,000 now. Yeah. Oh, I hate this breaking down this early in this candle.
Look at Tide. Holy mackerel.
I know. Yeah, the tide is, you're going to show it to everybody. So, the one person watching so they can see.
Hey,
how
it's
bad
it.
this actually is.
Yeah. No.
That is
But
that is
and they are climbing, and there is your market moving down. So you've broken below the zone. We're looking for a retest back above it. Unfortunately, I don't know if we're gonna get it.
gonna get a test here, and I think I'm gonna take it at this test here on this one.
I'm in.
That would be two of us, bro. We're still not getting that breakdown. The tide just turned on us pretty good there.
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Well,
Well, general market, you got a little
you're
dropping, but your call premium's still coming down.
yeah, that's what I was fixing to say. Well, it was. This thing could hold down here. We did break a little bit of a rule here. We did not wait for the
Yeah.
candle to close. I need Trump to come out and say he's going to do 10% more on China because they talk crap. How about that?
That's right on cue.
You know what? 10% on you.
So flip to your chart. We can follow along the trade.
I got into both of them. This one I got in a little better entry. This is the one we're not trying to make a ton of money on. We're just trying to get $300 this one right there. And there it is. That one is now locked up for the day. This one, we are trying to run it down. So we are going to move this stop. We're not going to let it turn red on us. So we're going to guarantee a $200 trade.
Yep, I'm in the same boat.
We need a clean break of this 70-75 area here, and then we should get a move down. CBD is down to negative 2,500. But we need this clean break down here. I don't know if it's going to do it yet.
Break it. Break now. Okay, that'll do.
Right, move our stop down to here.
We're gonna guarantee 350 on the trade.
I'm guaranteed
four. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Just follow me with my tight stop here. We'll keep it about $200 away or so. A little less now, 500. That's going to take me out there probably, and I'm okay with it. $500. This account tomorrow will be at payout, and we're at $3,000. So I'm a-okay. Roy, you might want to give yours. If you want to let it run, give it a little more room to that 70-75 area because tide is just ripping up. CBD's crashing. Looks like we got more downside coming. And speak of the devil,
I locked in 700. I mean, I'm trailing it down and hit that 700. It's going to keep going, but I'm happy.
Yeah, I got 675 guaranteed here. I just moved to the top of that candle. So
keep breaking.
Oh, Eli's got perfect timing. He's gonna come down when I'm in a big trade. I don't know.
That's gonna hit you here. No, it's not. It's gonna keep going down.
I love you.
Love you.
Hey, I just made like $3,000 this morning.
Boom.
Love you, bud. Be careful.
Let's go.
Hey, I saw that. I was saying bye to the kid. Good start to the morning.
I'd say so. And that is why we are patient. Good job. Good job, sir.
I'm gonna tell you this one. Like I said, we're at payout status. It is 8:56 a.m. on Thursday morning, and my day is concluded. My day is concluded.
I would say that was about as picture perfect as we could have asked. I mean, we probably should still be in the trade. We were a little tight on our trail.
Well, yeah, I was taking this trail because we're at payout status here.
Right. Yeah.
And no matter, I've got to make at least $200 more tomorrow. So if I make $200, that's going to put me right at 34. That's a $1,700 payout, boys and girls.
Yes.
That's nothing to sneeze at. So I don't mind keeping it tight. And I got this shit locked up. I got the other one over there locked up. I got both these locked up. My goal is to get about $1,000 a day. Well, we got $1,000 just in Top Step alone. That's not counting Take Profit Trader. So I am okay with that. How about you take this one and speed it up, and let's tag everybody on Twitter with it later. How about that one?
I like that. We don't have to speed it up as fast either.
No, that was a quick trade. That one went pretty fast. How long were we actually in that trade? Let's look and see.
Like 6 minutes?
Let's see.
3 minutes?
All right, this is 27. Here's one trade, $675. We entered the trade at 8:51:27. We were out at 8:55:38. 4 minutes we were in that trade.
Wow.
You ain't making that shit working for somebody. Go on and pull that one out.
I'll clip that one.
CBD is going down to negative 8,100.
Yeah, would have hit my original take profit.
It would have. Yeah, we would have got. I'd have got 2,000 out of this damn trade. But you know what? Because we got out like here, and we've got 13 more points. That's another 500. I mean, we'd be $1,000 easy.
Yeah.
I'm okay. I'm happy.
I'm okay. I mean, $700 trade. I'm okay with that.
We got nobody watching this morning, so you know what? Y'all missed a hell of a day.
Yeah, hopefully they logged off and they're good to go.
Well, speaking of log off, we got nobody here. How about we log off?
That works for me.
We'll call it a short.
Right.
Go do something fun.
We did it. Good job, man.
Thank you, sir. Well, if anybody does watch this later and you're wondering, hey, why y'all at 40 minutes today? Well, one, there's nobody here, and we have nothing to do.
We made our day.
So, peace out, everybody. Catch you guys Monday.
Bye, guys. Have a good weekend.